Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to change default browser on your Android phone. So it is very simple. You need to go to settings, tap on settings here. So once you are here, you can scroll down or you can use the search bar at the top if it is coming on your phone. Scroll down till you find apps section. Okay, apps, you can see default apps and app settings. Tap on this one. Now at the top only you can see choose default apps. So this is a Samsung phone, so it is coming like this. So if you're using any other brand phone, then also there will be similar options just like this one. So you need to click on choose default apps. Now at the top you can see browser app, there is none, so I'm going to tap on this one. Now there are four browser types here. Default one is the Samsung internet. So you can simply click on Chrome here. If you're using Chrome, a few people use Safari, Firefox and all that, so choose any one of them. So I'm going to choose Google Chrome. So whenever a link opens up on the web, it will directly go to the it will directly open in the Google Chrome app, because you have just set it as a default one. So this is how you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.